than the weekend. We can take it back to when we said just friends. Don't wanna tell you something new. I never said I'll fall for you. I want it better than the weekend. You can't show me.
Okay, wala pa eh. Wala pa ka ako. Ayun yung sinasabi niya ano. May patitigil nga.
Siya mismo nag-ano, nagpapadala dito kung may buka.
Lagyan na yan ng ganyan lang.
Kumayan ko na sana yan.
Ay, naputol na yung nagawa.
Hindi ko.
Ano na ba?
Ano dito mo na?
Saan ko tinagay?
Ilan lang naman.
Kulay ng pansit.
Tayo lang.
Happy birthday, Andrea! A cutest present ever. Happy birthday, Andrea. That one.
Wow!
What's that?
You have a lot of presents!
Here. It's for you.
Ay, she make a card for you.
Oh my god, this is... But first we have to put it battery. There's definitely new battery now. Do you want to open this?
Saan sila si ano, Kate? Aron? Si ano, si...
Have a soft toy there lang. Open that. Yes. That's Andrea.
Chocolate.
Si Aron ba yun? Aron.
Have it?
Bella, tingin ka dito.
Kantahan dyan si Andy ka happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Andeng.
Nakakadalawang oras na tayo. What is your wish?
Tell them what is your wish. Ay,
And what's on here? Like from the smoke. It's like gluey and
Yeah.
ano tumayo ka nga, Andeng?
Oh, what is your wish?
Your wish.
I hope everyone gets a happy day.
Oh, happy day, guys. I hope everyone is happy. Do yun dong wish
And
niya.
then, what?
And then,
Do you have want?
to have what? No, you have what?
Tablet? Or
Your wish?
iPad?
iPad?
Huh? Are you sure? Are you sure you want iPad?
Close your eyes and make a wish.
Oh,
Make a
close
wish.
your eyes.
And make a wish.
And then blow the candle.
Candle. O, dali na. Hoy. Okay.
It's getting out. Why do I have to close my eyes?
Yes.
You have to make a wish.
And then, make a wish and then blow the
Blow.
candle.
And then blow. One.
Close your eyes. Close your
One.
eyes.
Close your eyes. Wow. Wow.
Oh, ano sasabihin mo?
Wow.
Sana all.
Sana all.
Ito.
Yes, it's real.
This is real.
Is that real?
It is.
Wait.
I know it's real. It's real. It's a blue.
Wait.
I open it now.
Oh.
Mabagsak pa.
Wow. Sana all. Wow.
There's a charger.
You hold your iPad. What can you say?
Ito. Hindi yan.
What can you say? Oh, what can you say, Andrea?
Thank you.
Umabasag mo.
Sino nag-gift sa'yo niya? Sino nag-gift?
It's kind of like nice.
Oh.
It's kind of like nice. Yeah.
Roblox.
Oh, thank you for the gift, right? And then, thank you for all the gift.
Thank you for all the gifts. Welcome.
Welcome to
Translator.
Oh.
Stay right here. When a monster comes, click that button, and I'll take it over. But then when it goes, click out because it's not charging my tap. No. What we're wishing batteries.
Yes.
We have only a little bit batteries for the day. Oh my God!
Okay, you say thank you to Daddy.
I'll say thank you to the one who gives your gift.
No, just thank you.
Say hi to.
Oh, open some.
No, why you let it down?
Ito yung binigay ni from Aisa. Ito yung binigay ni Aisa. Saan ito?
Hindi naman sa kanila.
Wala. Saan ka yun? Only one, it's enough.
Now everything, you can open the gift, everything, but you can use it later.
And then this one also you can open. Oh. What is that? Wow, it's a Vans. Vans bag.
Wait.
Huy! There you are. Oh, this is from...
Wait, see the case now.
Do not go. What's this? See what's Oh, just be quiet! Is it possible to go inside? No, it's good.
Wow, it's a book. Look.
Wait, it can't be. This is what I wanted. Oh my God, this is what I wanted for years.
Yeah. It's
Why
mommy.
you went behind them?
Oh, this one also for Lindsay from Paris. Really? Oh. Thank you, Lucy.
Really don't. You're getting jailed. You're getting jailed. Hey, Patty! I'm gonna kick you in there. Hey! Thank you for coming and thank you for the present.